Which animal sleeps standing up? A. Horse. B. Goat. C. Dog. Correct answer is a horse. In which country was the internet first used? A. USA. B. UK. C. Germany. Correct answer is a USA. Where has the most lightning struck? A. Amazon rainforest. B. Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela. C. Sahara Desert. Correct answer is B. Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela. Which animal is famous for its tears? A. Crocodile. B. Elephant. C. Hippopotamus. Correct answer is a crocodile. From which country does India import good quality cooking coal? A. Australia. B. China. C. USA. Correct answer is A. Australia. Which bird can put half of its brain to sleep? A. Parrot. B. Duck. C. Peacock. Correct answer is B. Duck. Which gas is found the most in the sun? A. Hydrogen. B. Helium. C. Oxygen. Correct answer is A. Hydrogen. Which country had demonetization first? A. USA. B. France. C. India. Correct answer is B. France. Which country has the most beautiful eyes in the world? A. India. B. Afghanistan. C. France. Correct answer is B. Afghanistan. When is National Bird Day celebrated? A. The 4th of January. B. The 12th of March. C. 1 October. Correct answer is A. 4 January. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? A. Nainital. B. Dehradun. C. Haridwar. Correct answer is B. Dehradun. Which country has the Kohinoor diamond? A. India. B. Britain. C. USA. Correct answer is B. Britain. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? A. Raipur. B. Bilaspur. C. Jagdalpur. Correct answer is A. Raipur. Which country once ruled over America? A. Britain. B. Spain. C. France. Correct answer is A. Britain. People of which country study the most? A. South Korea. B. Japan. C. Germany. Correct answer is A. South Korea. Which bird has blue feathers? A. Peacock. B. Parrot. C. Crow. Correct answer is A. Peacock. Which animal has a blue tongue? A. Giraffe. B. Kangaroo. C. Bear. Correct answer is A. Giraffe. Camel is the national animal of which country? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Somalia. C. Pakistan. Correct answer is C. Pakistan. Which fruit never gets worms? A. Coconut, B. Apple, C. Banana. Correct answer is C. Banana. Which creature does not have eyes? A. Earthworm, B. Frog, C. Snake. Correct answer is A. Earthworm.